Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn, stock number 28724T. This is diamond black crystal in color. It is a full crew cab 4x4. It's got the black appearance package. Got a level 2 equipment group. Gives you quite a bit of goodies here. Getting the front park assist, the rear park assist, rear power window, the slider in the back, that's in there. Remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, even though it's cloth in here. All kinds of goodies in that package. And we've got the buckets. It's like a diesel gray in color, partial black, power driver seat, 8.4 touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay, Android Google, or Google Android Auto I should say. Power folding mirrors, power pedals, fog lamps, power drivers if I didn't say that already, heated mirrors. Very well equipped truck. Got the slush mats in it from Chrysler. Or from Ram I should say. 20-inch black painted wheels, white leather tires. Rear backup camera, tow package. Make these tailgates so light. Super handy. A lot easier to use. Manual passenger seat, leather wrapped steering wheel. CD player. This does have the Hemi in it. 8-speed automatic transmission. Beautiful truck. Diamond crystal in color. New 2019 Ram 1500. Full crew cab, black appearance package, 4x4. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.